Welcome aboard the Miss Marina. It's finally back in the water and ready for fishing. It went to the boatyard for some yearly service work, and this boat is Coast Guard inspected because it carries more than 6 people, and we'll take up to 30 on it on our group charters. But it had to do some work. It was a major refit, and just took a lot longer than we expected and we had hoped for. With the crews on here now, I know they're itching to go fishing because that's what they live for. That's why they work here, and they're down here in the Keys. They're getting the railing back on now. You can see they're getting the screws in it. And this is a full day fishing trip. They leave at 9:30 and come back by 4 p.m. on the reef, yellowtail snapper, mangrove snapper, occasional grouper, mackerel. Once in a while even a sailfish when they get lucky too. So let's go do a quick tour through here. We'll kind of show you what they're doing. So they redid this whole side of the boat here, and it was a major construction project. And we're in the yard over 2 months, right?
Yep, 2 months officially.
2 months in the boatyard, so they were ready to get back in here, but it'll be ready for action. You think it's gonna be good fishing when you go back out there?
You know, and good fishing out there.
Oh,
There ain't gonna be no more fish living out there.
they're coming back with a vengeance, they said. So come on down here, get in the action. Let's go check it out. But in the back of the boat here, they do drift fishing a lot of times for the yellowtail snapper. The sides of the boat, up towards the bow, they bottom fish, snapper as well, but catch all sorts of fish on here. Inside here is the cabin. It's a little under construction still right now. They're putting the last few screws in there for the railing. Like we said, Coast Guard's coming soon, but you got a couple of tables in here if you want to sit and eat. Now there's just some tools out here, but these are our bathrooms. There's one for the women, one for the men. So in case you're wondering, there is bathrooms out here. Up here, there's a little more seating that is covered, and we'll keep a cooler in here. It's not here right now at the moment, but there'll be a cooler in here to put your drinks in, water, sodas, Gatorade, maybe a cold beverage. But you can sit up here too, if you want to get out of the sun, out of the wind. Captain Andrew drives from up top. But you can see the bow here. And I know everyone is excited to get out here because this is at Bud and Mary's is the most affordable way to go fishing. And there is a price increase. I believe it's going to $110 for a full day of fishing, but it'll be the most reasonable price boat in Almirada still for a full day trip. We got Real McCoy coming in next, so let's go check him out. But go online to book budandmarys.com. You can jump on the website there, hit the Miss Almirada party boat fishing, head boat fishing, same thing, and go get on the action. Snappers biting, go catch some dinner. You got him. Real McCoy just pulled in. Looks like a black grouper so far, nice king mackerel. Another black group coming out of the box. Ramming through some yellowtails too, and we'll see what they caught here. Nice to see some groupers biting. Groupers 24-inch minimum size limit, and 1 per person, so they got their limit of 3, it looks like there, which is good. 4 people? They got 4 groupers then. That's more groupers than I've seen in a month here. I saw Colby.
Nice change of pace.
Yeah. Looked like Colby went swimming this morning early.
Uh-oh.
For some reason, I don't know why, but so Colby on the Calyx, we saw his Instagram story, went for a 6:30 a.m. swim when it was 65 degrees out. And I'm at the water, it's probably 70 degrees. That'll wake you up though. You gotta check the scoop on the bottom there. So they got a nice catch of groupers here. Whole big old basket of yellowtails. So at Bud and Mary's, we do have some lodging options. This is our tackle shop suite up here. We're gonna check that out. We also got some motel rooms. We got a handful of floating houseboats, as well as 2 small houses with 3 bedrooms each. So come check this one out, and I will show you what we got. So the view up here is absolutely amazing. When the sun sets to the west, you can look over there into the bay. You can see the sunset by Lignum Vitae. And if you want to see the sunrise, you look out towards the Atlantic Ocean. You got Alligator Lighthouse out there. You got the whole Marina Basin on the boats. And just a killer spot here, nice little patio. A few chairs here to relax and check it out. Now let's go inside and show you what we got in here for rooms. So this is the inside of the tackle shop suite. When you walk in here, there's a really nice king-size bed. You can open up all the windows, get a view of the whole outside there. There's a nice TV right there as well in case you want to watch some TV and relax. Over here, we've got another day bed, which someone can sleep on that, it's a twin-size bed. Then we have our bathroom over here with a shower. And if you want to be close to the fishing action, come stay right here and you'll be ready to go fishing right in the morning. We're upstairs at the penthouse. This is another lodging option here. This is one of our nicer options, I would say. Come check it out. So when you walk into the penthouse, you'll walk right into the living room. And this can either be 1 big unit or 2 separate units. That's the penthouse south, which is the south side. This is the north side. You can open that door up so it's 1 big unit with 2 separate bedrooms. Or sometimes we do rent it. There's a double door there where you have a living room on this side, the full kitchen, a bathroom, and a bedroom with 2 full-size beds in it. Or you can have that side too with 2 full-size beds, a kitchenette, and a bathroom, and a balcony that overlooks the water. We'll show you that in a second. But walk through here. We got your living room right here. We got couches. We got your dining room table, a little Florida Keys style kitchen right here, oven, stove, a sink, refrigerator, a microwave. Then you come this way. You got your bathroom right in here with a full-size shower, a toilet, and your sink. So when you walk in here, there's 2 full-size beds. The one window behind the beds overlooks the Marina Basin, and the one window to the right looks towards the tackle shop area and the guide dock. And perfect if you come down here fishing for a few days and you want a place to stay. So this is the first bedroom, and we'll go show you the last bedroom. This is the second bedroom of the penthouse. If the unit is split, this is penthouse south. There's a double door right here, which closes. But a lot of times if you got a big group, and you got 4 people, or even a couple more, and y'all want to stay in the same unit, we'll keep it all open. But if not, 2 double doors that are shut it off. But walk in here, you got your bathroom in here, same thing, big old mirror, shower, a toilet, and then over here we have a kitchenette. So it's not a full-size kitchen, but there's a little stove top with a couple burners, a little microwave, a sink, and a mini fridge. So you can do a little breakfast routine in here if you want. But there's always a deli here on property, which is open most of the time. And we actually have some new people moving into the deli right now. We're super excited about that, and you'll be able to get breakfast and lunch there very soon. But the best part about this unit, in my opinion, is the balcony. You can sit out here in the morning, the evenings, you can watch the boats come in, you can look out there, watch the sunrise, and you can even catch part of the sunset if you look to the west on that side of it. Did you go swimming this morning?
I did went swimming this morning.
Did it wake you up?
Oh, it woke me up.
How cold was the water?
In Alamorada,
Grab your little barrel.
in the Alamorada term, freezing.
No, come on now.
No, maybe
It's gonna be
74.
70. Yeah, maybe 74.
It was cold.
Why did you go swimming?
We had to make sure that the boat was still together.
What did you do, check the strain or someone said maybe?
Yeah, yeah.
Was there anything clogging it?
Yeah, we had a bunch of weed in the intake yesterday.
And you pulled it out?
No, we blew it out, but then I had to jump in to make sure the strainer was on there.
That'll wake you up at 6:30 in the morning.
I couldn't breathe when I went in the water.
All right, what do we got in the box? A bunch of kingfish getting unloaded?
Oh yeah,
Kingfish yellowtails?
bunch of kings. Yeah, we are the KY Express, baby.
They're the Kingfish Express right here, so Kingfish and Yellowtail Express right now. Now you got your greenhorn and your mate. You got him trained up?
He's doing good. Yeah, he's doing good.
You saw bluefins today?
No, I don't know what it is, but
What a
somehow
fishery.
we get these Michigan guys.
Yeah, I'm from Michigan.
We
You like
see
it?
Michigan. Yeah, he got his first nickname today, and we're sticking with it. It's Big Bird.
Okay. All right, well, let's check these fish out here. Capt and Alex on the Calyx coming in first, mate Colby. And we'll show you what they got. What's going on up there?
Another epic day of reef fishing. Waiting on the sailfish migration.
Are you doing the tournament?
My guys are fishing the tournament, yeah.
With you.
Possibly, yeah.
All right, there's the Alamorada Sailfish Tournament on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We expect a big showing from Colby and Team Calyx and Capt and Alex. Colby's looking for a second tournament win in 20 years.
There's a few sailfish out there. When I say few, very few. I hope it gets better very soon.
Do you have bait caged up?
Oh my God, I got bait.
You got a couple blue runners in there still?
I got some scabby blue runners and 1 Sergeant Major.
There you go. All right, well, I see some battlers, and maybe they'll make it through the tournament in the live well there. What's your name?
Hunter.
Hunter? Are they calling you Big Bird now?
Yep.
Why?
I mean a big bird.
He's got a nose and some long legs.
It's his 6th day and he's really doing well.
That's good. You're fishing with a Hall of Famer up there.
Yep.
That's hard work on this boat, they all say, but he's the best teacher out here. And Colby, too. Colby doesn't have as much patience as Alex. Colby snapped a little bit.
Not at all.
All right, so you got, what, about 10 kingfish and 15 or 20 yellowtails?
Yeah.
And a lot of blue runners?
Yep.
Who's getting the blue runners?
We're gonna play
Alex,
rock,
friends?
paper, scissors.
They got the tournament, so good luck to Team Calyx in it. We got one more boat coming in now. We'll go see what they caught, and that'll wrap this up. Colby's filleting up some yellowtails. They catch a lot of yellowtails on this boat and vessel. Calyx been
Right.
catching yellowtails a lot of years.
You'll never go hungry when you fish with us.
Nope, they catch them. You excited for the tournament?
No, it's gonna be a long, long 3
It
days.
seems like there's less sailfish right now than I can remember.
Yeah.
How many have you caught this season?
We are 2 for 3. So,
Yeah, they were in the boatyard a long time, so haven't been fishing as much as usual, but I will say there's only been a few sailfish caught the last week at the marina.
yeah, we used to catch a lot in October, and over the last couple of years, it's like till January they finally start showing up.
But there will probably, there's no telling how many boats will be in the tournament. There used to be 20, 30 boats. What do you think it'll be? Think there'll be 15 or 20?
There's 10 signed up now.
There's 10 signed up now, so tournaments aren't quite as popular as they used to be, but still 10 boats fishing. There might be a few more last minute entries, but somebody will land on some fish. I mean, somebody will catch a few. You got goggle eyes, thread fins, maybe some sardines. So people have good fish, good bait, and when you're sail fishing for 7-8 hours straight, like someone's gonna catch a few somewhere. They're gonna pop up. So
Yeah.
we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's Team Colby and KLX. That's what I'm rooting for.
I hope so.
We're waiting on Catch 22 to come unload. They're over there getting fuel at the fuel dock. Colby's feeding the bird. And there's actually a pet pelican here named Pete. Is Pete the pelican here?
Pete,
Pete.
where
Pete
you
comes
at,
here
Pete?
every year, and he'll sit right on that.
Yep.
Is that him?
No, Pete's not here.
He'll sit right here on this cage almost every day and come and eat a fish or two. You know, somebody just steals your bait when you're not looking.
Yeah, Pete was here at 6 o'clock in the morning. Every morning he's here.
All right, he's been on the early shift, so. Well, thanks for your time, Colby. Best of luck
Always.
to you.
Always, thank you guys.
And we're gonna go check out Catch 22 here and see what. Keep KLX in mind, you guys. They always catch the fish. Alex is a Hall of Famer, IGFA Hall of Famer. Been here longer than pretty much everybody. Do you know what type of fish that is on top?
A banded rudderfish? What is it?
A lesser amberjack.
Is it?
Everybody thinks they're banded rudderfish though. Catch 22 coming in with a bucket load of fish. They got a big amberjack already out there. Alex will know what type of fish is that on top.
Banded rudder.
Lesser amberjack. Banded rudderfish have little white fin tips.
But you tell the difference between like the jawbone. See how the jawbone
We're debating
goes,
if it's
like,
lesser
up,
amberjack or
like,
banded
toward its
rudderfish.
eye. The banded rudder comes straight.
A banded rudderfish has little white tips on his fins. All right, so Catch 22 just came in. They got some nice vermilion snappers, a couple mahi, big amberjack, and then some unidentified fish. We're debating what they are, but good job, Scott. Should they come down and go fishing with you?
It can help me sharpen my skills a little. Give me some of that online information that you get all the time.
You're a joke.
I'm a joke.
You're a joke. I'm a joke. I'm a joker. Hope you enjoy this video so far. And if you want to come down here and go fishing or stay in the hotel, you can call the Marina office right here. Talk to one of these lovely ladies, Lainey or Liz. Andrew runs the party boat. And give them a shout here in the office if you want to come down. This is where you can get some cold beverages. You want a beer, you want soda, you want water, want some snacks. Like we said, the deli is opening up out there in a couple of days, so we'll have a new tenant in there. Super excited because rumors they got some really good food. Can't wait to have it here. But come in here, get a t-shirt and a hat, and stop on by Bud and Murray's. So hope you all enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and coming down to Amran and go fishing with us.
Nick Stanczyk, you're my hero.
No, I'm a joke.
Nick, should we go feed the chickens real quick?
No, we can feed the tarpon here at Bud and Murray's though.
Like and subscribe to our channel. Or subscribe and like. Or comment below.
Come go fishing. Call Lainey.
Comment below.